Hey, good morning, folks. Hope everyone's doing all right, and welcome back to those who observed Juneteenth yesterday. Um, really quiet stuff yesterday, but off the top of major news wise and all that, we do have this guy here, Crude, had a bid today, early session. Basically telling us the supply picture is outweighing the demand picture. When I say demand picture, I mean, Beijing economic reports for Beijing came in, not too great. Despite them not going through like crazy lockdowns. Um, so we are trading above that 109s, which we had really hard time getting above yesterday. Broke through. It was a really nice price action if you think about it, right? So we kind of a bit of consolidation, so we could really just go either way here, and buyers have decided to come in here, and bam. All right. So at this moment in time, buyers are in control. So if you're trying to short the market, do so at your own, yeah, at your own risk. Second thing is, all right, as usual, every day. I mean, this is something that I look at every day, unsurprisingly. So Dixie, we're holding above that 104 handle as I mentioned yesterday, but still, not going through that resistance trend line. So once we push through, I would like to see it push through, hold above, maybe a retest and then push above, going for a test of 4.5s, 105s, and if that happens, then this gold at the Comex Open might have a uh, you know basically a peak day. Um, like I said, this was a much longer term trend line from July this year. Sorry, July last year. My bad. So we are trading below there now. It's not going through, but the in terms of correlations, it is, the thesis holds. So if we do get that push, as we can see here, look at that, like the buying every time it just tries to go down and gets bought back up, tries to go down, but gets bought back up, and you know volume might not be there right now, and if we see that push and T notes can stay below this prior, look at that, this buying from this level, from the 98s level, right? We are breaking through and holding below now. Pretty nice trend line. And T notes as well, it is a very technical product. So to me, as long as it stays below here, I would be comfortable with that gold short. Possibly testing 30s, if not lower. You'd be wanting to see, yeah, like 1800s today. You know what? Maybe, maybe. But don't take my word for it. To be honest with you, I haven't traded gold for a while. So SPOOS is just turning back around now. We have traded above this, basically this resistance area yesterday. Did a bit of consolidation. You know, do I want to get short right now? No. Again, the Dixie. I need to see this, and also the VIX. I don't have the VIX chart on, but we do use it daily in the Dome Capital Room. So check us out. We are doing a free trial. Like, you get a free trial for a month. Just saying. Uh, but the level that I would, in no doubt, be short from would be this. Sorry about this. It's a bit of lag on the load. So over here, double test, tries to go down, can't. So you can see how important this level is, right? And then sellers just came back in here, didn't even go for a proper test, and just sold back down. So if we get through this level here above, I want to see what happens in the gap, right? So this if then scenarios. So we go through here, if buys hold, it pushes above 3900, then the short thesis at this point might not be very smart, because you'd get a lot of stops over there just getting through, and a lot of people would then have to switch sides basically, because you get put out of position, and it's okay, people are buying for whatever reason. If you don't follow your macros or whatever, you're just looking at what's happening on the tape, then okay, then you'll be looking then at this level here, right? So this is shy of the 4100s. So over here would be the next level to like proper get short from. I mean that would be my thesis. To get short here, I'm not too comfortable until we get to the US session or until correlations pretty much work out. But if this gets back below this level here, this 3700s ish, and cannot get back above, right? Then I would be comfortable. I mean, going into the US session, then I'd be comfortable getting that short, doing basically like an open setting. It's not an open drive. An open drive on the opposite side. Aussie's doing well. We've got basically a support trend line, kind of, in the making over there. If we get push on the Dixie, then we can get potentially a further push. This double bottom to get tested. First target 69,000s and then that double bottom. Anyways, I've gone on too long now. Same thing with the euro, basically, right? So very technical stuff. Lovely, lovely levels. Hope this was useful. Remember, we do have Canadian retail sales for Looney Traders today. But the highlight would be new housing price index out of the US. That would be at 1:30 London time. And then followed by Fed Sparking at 4 London time. All right, this is Reed with the daily briefing. Thank you, everyone.